Hey guys, what's going on? This is Omar Veloose.
Wash the dog, check your motherfucking ego. Throw down like motherfucking ego. Seco donk, donk, donk.
And welcome to my channel. I will show you guys everything I know about my craft. And though your craft may not be the same as mine, the path to success is probably very parallel. We will discover how to shine in the best light possible and how to make your projects easier and to create product that catches people's attention. That in itself is an art, and we all should know that. So I will show you guys what I've done and how I've done it. And even though maybe a lot of you guys don't know who I am, and sure, I'm not performing with Lady Gaga yet, I will show you guys what has gotten me there to where I am now. And like I said, there's still probably a lot more, and I know that there's a lot more of my dream to come. Now, I will use myself as an example, as a guinea pig, so we can discover together what it takes. I will interview my friends and many people that know tools that we can use to have our craft grow. Now, how bad do you want your dreams to come true? I want my dreams to come true really, really bad. And I'm sharing this journey with you so we could do it together. I'm not afraid to see you succeed. I'm not afraid to see another artist succeed. I want them to succeed. And I'm sharing this information with you here on my channel so we could all do it together. And what I learn, you can use. And what we learn together, we're both using at the same time. Really, I promise. I'm not doing it for anything else besides just having a good time, because I'm tired of living mediocre. Though I'm out there doing all these things, these fancy videos, this music is just not quite making me complete yet. And I've took a long time to think about it, and maybe it's because I haven't shared it with you guys. I haven't been sharing it as I go along and how I'm doing it. It's not fake it till you make it. I don't personally think that exists anymore. I think it's showing people how you're making it that gets you there. And that's what my channel is about. So screw me trying to make all this fancy and trying to look all cool. I will definitely show you guys my journey as it happens. And maybe it'll inspire you to do the same thing with yours, whatever your craft is. So again, how bad do you want to make your dreams come true? Well, let's find out together. Let's discover this journey together here on my channel. So subscribe, tune in, as I'll be putting new videos up each time. I'm getting excited just thinking about it, so I hope you are too. So I will be seeing you guys day after day, week after week, and let's make our dreams come true. All right, guys. See you guys around. Let's make it happen.